Knowing what not to do sometimes can be valuable than knowing what to do. Hi guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I'll be explaining to you what are art skills and 4 essential art skills that humans need to develop in this 21st century. Without further ado, let's go straight into the video. While I was making my research for this video, I came across 3 definitions of art skills. So I'll be giving you 3 definitions of art skills. What are art skills? Art skills can be defined as specific ability which help people to carry out different jobs. The second definition of art skill is this: art skills are skills that allow you to perform job-specific tasks and responsibility. Third definition of art skill that I have here is: art skill are specific competence, skill, knowledge, and abilities needed to perform a specific task or role. How can art skills be learned? Art skills can be learned formally and they can also be learned informally. They can be learned through courses, they can be learned in classroom, they can be learned through repeated experiences, they can be learned in job place. There are so many ways in which art skill can be learned. Courses, they can be learned in a classroom, they can be learned through previous experiences, they can be learned in a job place, they can be learned through repeated experiences. Those are how art skill can be learned. And now, let me go into the purpose of the video, which is 4 important art skills that is needed in this century. The first art skill that is needed in a time like this is analytical skill. If you really want to be relevant in this century, you must have a bit of analytical skill. That is to say, you must learn to gather data, you must learn to analyze it, you must learn to decipher the meaning, and you must learn to present it. Example of analytical skill: we have researching, forecasting, data mining, data management, and so on and so forth. The second important art skill people need to develop in this century is computer skill. What are computer skills? These are the ability to use computer software to get the required result. Computer skills are the ability to use computer software to get required results. Example of computer skills: we have spreadsheet usage, Google Drive usage, and Microsoft Office proficiency. Under Microsoft Office proficiency, the person must be able to use Microsoft Access, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft OneNote, Microsoft Publisher, and so on and so forth. The third important art skill people need to learn in this 21st century is marketing skill. It can also be called digital marketing skill. Digital marketing skill is basically you advertising and you selling your product online. You advertising and selling your product online. Under this digital marketing skill, we have email marketing, we have graphic designing, we have UI UX designing, we have search engine optimization, we have social media management, and so on and so forth. Comment art skill in the comment section so that I can know who are still with me in this video. Comment ask in the comment section. That is if you have learned anything new in this video thus far. Just comment ask it in the comment section. Do it right now. The 4th essential art skill that must be learned in this 21st century is project management skill. Project management skill is the skill that can get things done. Example of project management skill is scheduling, budgeting, etc. Art skill is very important because before you submit your resume, you must at least be certified in a school, or you must have previous experiences, or you must have learned, or you must have taken some courses. So art skill is important. Like I said last week that soft skill is important, art skill is also important. You can't be unserious with your art skill because you are developing your soft skill. I can't say one is more important than one, but according to LinkedIn research, it shows that 57% of employers value soft skills more than art skill. But art skill is needed because there is no way you can get a task done without you knowing how to get the task done. That is it. Art skills are basically technical skills. Thank you for watching my video up to this point. Do it to like, share, and subscribe. Know that develop your art skill and make sure you also develop your soft skill also. The two are important. On my Telegram channel, I share some courses with people. I say some like I've gained access to some courses, so it may be on discount for some hours. So just try to make sure you're on my Telegram channel. I will try to put the link to my Telegram channel in the description box so that you can get the link to register for some courses and you can equip yourself with some art skill. Thank you very much. If you've not watched my last week's video, try to watch it because the video is really value packed. I've received some comments from some people. I've received some DMs for some people saying, "Oh, Andrew, thank you for making this video. It was made for me." So try to check out the video. I will put the video here, and make sure you try to check out this video also, which is 5 important questions every important and successful person must answer. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.